Good morning, parents. Welcome to grade 3 auction. And now we are going to start with the auction. Are you ready?
Not excited at all, as if they were speaking to their friend about it.
So this painting shows how the moon and the sun
They need to come out and show their expression.
If you give us money, we can buy them better hearing aid. We should be proud.
So are you ready? Are you ready? 45,000. 45,000.
Hi Ketu.
Hi.
What were you doing in your class just now?
We were reading the book. It was big book.
Was it fun reading?
Yes.
You know, today we have a wonderful session for you. So are you all ready?
We had made a plan, we also about that. That example that they are not like, and they are telling that yellow because sunshine.
Correct.
So when you see sunshine, what do you feel?
Okay. So you lead it to the
Feelings.
Yeah. So today we are going to share some painting with you. What do you think red color would be for you? Okay. We have prepared a logo for the Sunflower NGO so that the NGO can get an identity and a respect in the community. So this is the final logo which we have chosen. So the smiley faces over there, they are the happiness of the children. Then the holding of hands is the helping hand and caring for each other, and the hidden heart in the between is showing love and affection.
Like internships is like, it'll help us because it's kind of a medium that we have already explored with.
I was supposed to design a bookshelf for Soham's bedroom, and for that first I've come up with my data collection, and then to show it I've made a model out of it.
So like in future it's very easy for getting, like we have written our CVs, then we have written our letters. So like when we go for a real job in our real life, so that time it will help us a lot. Over here you have to be concentrated on your work and you have certain deadlines to meet. That I learned in internship.
As you know, we are having our memorable day for Sunflower, so we want to make it as memorable as possible.
We had a lot of struggles through this process. We had to do a lot of work. We had to organize the whole event, and
You should make a name for the.
What do you plan, core committee, what do you plan to call this event?
we divided ourselves into committees, and we worked accordingly. Like there was the event management committee, there was a core committee, there was the ground management committee, and there was the well-being committee.
Very proud, and I'm feeling really happy that after such hard work put in, I'm really happy we have been able to come up to this day and been successful with the organization.
They were not so interested. We had to shout a lot.
Audience is not paying attention. We shouldn't get disheartened and lose the energy levels for the next.
But then when we started, then all of them had gathered around us.
Yes.
So we gained confidence.
अगर हमें अपने देश को आगे बढ़ाना है तो हमें सही सवाल उठाने होंगे.